Since we're still in a bear market, it's no wonder that many crypto investors are wondering when the next crypto bull run will happen. Based on Bitcoin's past market cycles, we could expect the next crypto bull run to start after the Bitcoin halving in 2024 and reach its peak in late 2025. In order to make an educated guess, we first need to look at the history of crypto bull markets and bear markets. We'll use Bitcoin as the example, as it has the longest history and typically leads the market. So far, Bitcoin has seen three major bull runs. The first major Bitcoin bull run came in 2013, when the price of BTC exceeded the $1,000 mark for the first time ever and peaked at $1,150. In the ensuing bear market, Bitcoin bottomed out at a price of around $171, down 85% from the peak. It took a little over a year after the peak for the bottom to be reached. The second major Bitcoin bull run began gaining steam in 2016 and then accelerated massively in 2017. In this bull run, BTC reached a peak of just under $20,000 in December of 2017. Interestingly enough, the peaks of the 2013 and 2017 Bitcoin bull runs were almost exactly 4 years apart. When the 2017 crypto bull run began losing steam, it took until December 2018 for Bitcoin to find a bottom. The bottom was reached at a price of about $3,200, which was a decline of roughly 84% from the peak. The 2013 and 2017 Bitcoin bull runs and subsequent bear markets had two things in common. In both cases, it took Bitcoin roughly 1 year to find a bottom after the peak of the bull run was reached. In addition, the price of Bitcoin crashed by about 85% both times. The third major Bitcoin rally happened in 2021. This rally reached its peak in November of 2021 at a price of $68,770, which is the current Bitcoin all-time high. Notably, this peak also came roughly 4 years after the peak of the previous BTC bull run. So far, the lowest price level reached following the November 2021 peak was $15,600, which was hit in November of 2022. This crash represented a 77% decline from peak to bottom. In terms of timing, this more or less aligns with the previous two Bitcoin market cycles, in which it took Bitcoin about 1 year to hit a bottom after reaching a bull run peak. If history is going to repeat itself, we would see a new Bitcoin bull run begin picking up steam sometime in 2024 and reach its peak in late 2025. Now, let's identify some catalysts that could contribute to a new crypto bull run starting to take form. Arguably, the most important fundamental event that could spark a new crypto bull run is the upcoming Bitcoin halving. At the time of recording, the next Bitcoin halving is expected to occur in May 2024. There have been 3 Bitcoin halvings so far, and each of them was followed by a bull run in the Bitcoin markets. In fact, BTC has reached a new all-time high in each of its 4-year halving periods so far. If this trend is going to continue, we could see a Bitcoin bull run starting to gain momentum in the second half of 2024 following the next Bitcoin halving. Another catalyst for the next crypto bull run could be Ethereum. Ethereum has enabled new types of products including decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges, NFTs, decentralized lending protocols and much more. While these use cases have already attracted an impressive amount of users, Ethereum still hasn't reached mainstream adoption. One of the main reasons for this is the limited scalability of the Ethereum network. To put it simply, Ethereum becomes extremely expensive to use when there is a surge in demand for transactions. Thankfully, there's initiatives on both Layer 1 and Layer 2 to drastically improve scalability. The progress on the Layer 2 front is especially promising, as we're seeing platforms like Optimism, Arbitrum and Polygon zk-EVM provide much more efficient alternatives that still benefit from the security of the Ethereum network. If someone were to create a killer app for Ethereum that would attract massive amounts of users, the underlying infrastructure would actually be able to support it and potentially bring millions of new users into crypto. For another perspective of when the next crypto bull run could happen, let's take a look at what the algorithmic Bitcoin price prediction on CoinCodex is forecasting for the future. Currently, the Bitcoin price prediction is suggesting that Bitcoin will begin rallying in October 2023 and accelerate its climb at the beginning of next year. The prediction is even forecasting that BTC will achieve new all-time highs in Q1 of 2024. When do you think the next crypto bull run is going to start? Make sure to let us know in the comments below. Good luck in your crypto journey.